Welcome. This is a gentle guided meditation for releasing stress and bringing your mind and your body back to a place of calm and balance. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel safe to do so. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose. Hold for just a moment. And now slowly exhale through the mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply. Hold and exhale gently, letting go of tension. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feel the air moving in and out. Each breath softens the body, calms the mind. Now gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Image a soft wave of relaxation flowing down, relaxing your forehead. Your eyes. Your jaw. Let go of any tightness you feel in your face. Return to your natural rhythm. Let that wave continue down your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders drop soft and heavy. Release any weight you've been carrying. Let the calm energy from the universe flow down your arms, to your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Let go. Now, bring your awareness to your chest. With every breath, feel it rise. Feel it fall. Feel your heart beating, steady and calm. Any stress you've been holding in your chest, let it melt away with each exhale. In your nose, slowly out your mouth. Return back to your natural rhythm. Bring the relaxation down through your stomach, your hips, your legs, down into your feet. Let your whole body feel heavy, grounded, and at ease. Now, allow your mind to rest in this stillness. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nowhere you need to be. You are simply here, breathing stressful thoughts come up, gently let them go, like clouds drifting in the sky. Don't judge them, just watch them pass. Now, return your attention to your breath. Quietly repeat to yourself, I am calm, I am safe. I let go of what I can't control. With each breath, I return to peace. Say again slowly and gently, I am calm, I am safe, I let go, I am at peace. Now image yourself standing in nature, maybe a quiet forest or near a peaceful stream. You hear birds in the distance. A gentle breeze brushes your skin. You feel supported, grounded, and clear. Let that calm energy of nature surround you. Let it fill your body with lightness. Breathe it in and out. Slowly, slowly. Now, begin to bring your attention back to your body. Feel your hands, your feet, your breath. Notice how your body feels now. A little lighter, a little calmer. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take one final deep breath in and out. Slowly exhale, letting it all go. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Be kind to yourself. Carry this calm with you